Hello, my name is Faizan Sharif and this is the second video on ratio. In this video, we will talk about using ratios, scale drawings and map scales. Using ratios. Ratios are used in everyday life. We have them all around us. They can help you work out problems including scale drawings and reading maps. So over here on the left hand side is a scale drawing and on the right hand side is an image of a map. So, on to scale drawings. In a scale drawing, all dimensions have been reduced by the same proportion. A drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes reduced or enlarged or become bigger by a certain amount. The scale is shown as the length in the drawing, then a colon, then the matching length on the real thing. So, on to scale drawing example. Underneath here is half an example and half an explanation. A model boat is made to a scale of 1 to 20. This scale can be applied to any units. So 1 millimeter measured on the model is 20 millimeters on the actual boat. 1 centimeter measured on the model is 20 centimeters on the actual boat. Therefore, 1 centimeter is drawn on the map and that 1 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeters in real life. The dimensions have been reduced by the same proportion. So over here you can have 1 kilometer as well. So you can say 1 kilometer measured on the model is 20 kilometers on the actual boat. Reading map scales. Map scales can be written in ratios to tell you how many units of length on land or sea are equal to 1 unit of length on a map. For example, if you are traveling from Manchester to London and need to know how far it is, it would be very difficult to work this out from a map if the map does not have a scale. So this is essential why maps should have scales. Most maps have them nowadays. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and hit the like button.